Hello friends, how are you all? Hope all are fine and all are enjoying learning. In previous video we have seen rules of differentiation and also its examples. And I had given you exercise 1.1 question number 1, differentiate with respect to x. Two examples were given. Now let us see these two examples. Exercise 1.1. Let us see first example. Y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. We have to differentiate with respect to x. According to the definition of derivative, derivative is one of the fundamental ideas of calculus, and it's all about rate of change of the function. So y is given function in variable x. So differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. But we know that formula. D by dx of x raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. We have to use this formula. Five x cube minus 2x minus 1. Here n means 5, therefore n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, that is 4. D by dx of, we have to take again the derivative of this bracket, x cube minus 2x minus 1. Now 5x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 as it is. Now we can distribute this derivative d by dx to each term of the bracket. Therefore, d by dx of x cube minus d by dx of 2x and minus d by dx of 1. Now 5x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 as it is. Now we have to find the derivative of this bracket. Now d by dx of x cube. Again we have to use this formula, d by dx of x raised to n is equal to nx raised to n minus 1. Here n means 3 is there. Therefore we have to take here 3 x raised to 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 2 is constant, therefore we have to take here 2 common, d by dx of x minus, here 1 is constant and we know that the derivative of constant term is 0. Now 5x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 as it is, 3x square minus 2 dx upon dx, that is 1. Therefore 5x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 4 in bracket 3x square minus 2. And this is the final answer of this function. Y is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Similarly, we have to see second example. Y's function, which is given in variable x square plus 4x minus 7. So y is equal to in root x square plus 4x minus 7. Again, we have to differentiate y with respect to x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to dy dx of in square root x square plus 4x minus 7. But we know that formula, d by dx of root x 1 upon 2 root x, and again derivative of itself x, that is 1. Therefore we got 1 upon 2 root x. By using this formula we can solve this. Therefore dy by dx is equal to root x, this example in the form root x. Therefore 1 upon 2 root x, here x means x square, in root x square plus 4x minus 7. And again we have to take the derivative of this term, x square plus 4x minus 7. Is equal to 1 upon 2 in root x square plus 4x minus 7. We have to take derivative of this bracket, so we can distribute this derivative to each term of the bracket. D by dx of x square plus d by dx of four x minus d by dx of 7. 1 upon x square plus 4x minus 7 as it is. Now we have to find derivative of these terms. Now here d by dx of x square, this now x square is in the form x raised to n, therefore its derivative 2x raised to 1. 2x raised to 1 derivative means 2x, therefore derivative of constant term is d by dx of 4x. Again 4 we can write this term, therefore we can take 4 d by dx of x 2 in root, therefore derivative of constant 4x is 0 minus. Again we can write this term in bracket 2x 1 plus upon 4 and dx upon dx, that is 1 in root x square plus 4x. Now minus 7, 2 is common in bracket, therefore 2x plus 4 remaining in bracket upon dx, that is 1 plus 2 upon 2. Now 2 is square root, therefore 2 x remaining in bracket plus 4x minus 7 upon 2 get cancelled in square root, and we got answer x square plus 2 upon plus 4x minus 7. X square 2 get cancelled plus 4x minus 7, and we got answer. This is the derivative of x plus 2 upon in root given function x square plus 4x minus 7. This is the derivative of this is the derivative of y is equal to in root x square plus 4x minus 7 given function. This is the derivative of my function y is equal to in root x square plus 4x minus. Next example, y is equal to root sin x cube, and y is equal to log of minus to log of x of 5 to the base 3. To solve next example, revise all these examples. Y is equal to root sin write down all these examples, and y is equal to log of, let us see next log example of x of 5 next to the base 3. Bye, take care. Revise all these examples at home and write down all these examples. Again we can write this. Let us see next example in the next video. 1 upon, bye, take care. Now minus 2 in root, again here x square plus 7 is constant, 1 upon minus 7, and again derivative of itself x, that is 1. Therefore we got 1 upon dx upon dx, that is 1. By using this formula we can solve this. Therefore now dy by dx is equal to common, therefore root x, this example remaining in bracket, therefore x plus 1 upon 2 upon root x, here 2 x means x square in square root in root x square plus 4x minus 7. 4x to get cancelled minus 7, and we got answer. And again we have to take the derivative of 2 upon this term in root x square plus 4x plus 4x minus 7, and this is the derivative of given function is equal to 1 upon 2 in root this is the derivative plus 4x minus 7 equal to in root we have to take derivative of this bracket, so we can distribute this derivative to each term of the bracket. D by dx of x square, my students, d by dx of, you have to solve next example. Y is equal to root sin x cube, and y is equal to log of 4x log of x of 5 to the base 3, minus, revise all these examples at home and write down all these examples. D by dx of 7. Let us see next example in the next video. Bye, take care. 1 upon therefore derivative of constant term is 0. Again we can write this term 1 upon 2 in root x square plus 4x minus 7 in bracket 2x plus 4 and dx upon dx, that is 1. Now 2 is common, therefore 2 remaining in bracket x plus 2 upon 2 in square root x square plus 4x minus 7. 2 get cancelled, and we got answer x plus 2 upon in root x square plus 4x minus 7, and this is the derivative of given function. This is the derivative of given function y is equal to in root x square plus 4x minus 7. My dear students, you have to solve next example. Y is equal to root sin x cube, and y is equal to log of x of 5 to the base 3. Revise all these examples at home and write down all these examples. Let us see next example in the next video. Bye, take care.